Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the swap failed error on your Phantom wallet. Make sure you have enough SOL in your wallet to cover the transaction fees. Without it, swaps will automatically fail. Go into your swap settings and increase the slippage tolerance. If the price shifts more than the tolerance allows, the transaction won't go through. Tap Browse in Phantom and select another provider like Jupiter. Sometimes the current provider doesn't have enough liquidity for your trade. Make sure the token you're trying to swap isn't frozen or restricted. These tokens can block transactions even if everything else is correct. And that's it. Try these steps and your swap should go through successfully. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.